So here we have two lists of colors, one saying blue, purple, and green, and the other reading red, yellow, and orange. These colors are grouped into two different groups because one group is cool colors and the other group is warm colors. Blue, purple, and green are called cool colors because we usually associate feeling cold and ice with the blue, the purple, and the green. You can think of a winter scene or a snowy mountain and you'll see these colors. For warm colors, we think of the hot sun, a warm summer's day with these colors. We feel warm when we look at reds and oranges and yellows. Now today for our project, which is on warm and cool colors, we are going to be working with geometric shapes. You will be given a sheet of white paper, a pencil, and tracing shapes, as well as markers. It is your job to first fill the page with these tracing shapes in every which direction on the page. Using your pencil, you will trace these shapes. They may run off the page like this, and they may overlap like this. Be sure to use many different colors when you're tracing, many different shapes when you're tracing. The goal for this is to fill the page, overlap, and have them run off the page because this will create more visual interest. We'll just put in a few more here. Okay, now that I have my geometric shapes on my page, I'm going to decide if I want to use a warm color palette or a cool color palette. I'm going to pick a cool color palette. So I will start with a green marker and fill in a shape. You will want to outline the shape first, slowly and carefully, and color slowly and carefully. Take your time while you color because that will look better than if you were rushing. Next, I think I'm going to color this shape in. Now this shape is being overlapped by another shape. What am I going to do with this piece right here? I'm not going to color it the same color as this or this. Pretend that these shapes are see-through, and if you put these colored shapes together, they will make a different color. So the overlapped color of these two shapes will not be the same. Notice how I'm turning my page to make it easier for me to color. This will help you too when you start your project. Make sure to fill in all the white spaces. And I will do the same thing for this shape that is being overlapped. I will outline it and I will color it. And I think I'll make that rectangle blue because that too is a cool color. And I would continue to color in this shape until it was completely blue. Now, if you're looking for a challenge while doing this project, you will take your paper and fold it hamburger style. Match corner to corner. Once you've done that, open it back up. This creates a line down the center of your paper. So one side you would use cool colors and the other side you would use warm colors. It is a challenge because you would be using both sets of colors. Now that you know what you're doing, go ahead and get your supplies and let's get started.